All right, now it is time to extrude this plate finally. And so I got to finish my sketch first, so I'm going to hit check mark on the sketch. And I have that all done. Now I'm going to go to my 3D tools. I'm going to extrude. And there are going to be a lot of places to select here, so I'm going to have to be really extra cautious. So I'm going to tap right there. That'll get most of the plate. You'll notice that it's not doing an extrusion yet, and that's because down here it's basically not enclosed. As soon as I tap that right there and it gets that end of the triangle, now it's enclosed and it's ready to actually create a solid. So I had to do that, and then I have to also get these other components of the triangle. So this is where it takes a lot of work. Oh, that's not good. There we go. So we had that one, and then I need to do these ones. I don't want that one. It's going to take a lot of extra taps. There we go. And then all of these pieces as well. And even that one right there. That's the one that's easy to forget. All right, so now that I've chosen all those, I can hit the check mark and it will extrude it. Oh, I need to first give it a depth of 0.25 inches. There we go.